Hi, this is John with SysEng Quick. Today I'll show you how to run arbitrary commands using salt states. This can be useful when there isn't a pre-built salt state module for what you're trying to accomplish. The next task in cloning our Debian machine is to install the VirtualBox modules. To do that, we'll need to copy the installer and run it, but only if the modules haven't already been installed. We can use salt to copy files that are in our salt states directory, serve salt. So I've gone ahead and placed the VirtualBox Editions installer file in the serve salt files VBox Editions Linux folder. To find out if we already have the VBox modules installed, we'll use an execution module. Some execution module examples include the functions we've been using with salt from the command line, such as state.apply and cmd.run. We can use the VBox guest additions version function to find out if we've already installed the VirtualBox module. If the function returns a version, then we've already installed them. If it returns false, then we need to install them. As you can see, we've installed the modules on the salt master, but not on Debian clone. Let's make a new state file. First, we'll add to the top file. I'll call it i3desktop.vboxeditions. Then inside i3desktop, the first task is to copy the installer. We'll use file.manage to do that. The name property will be the name of the file on the minion. So I'm going to use temp vboxeditions.sh. And the source of the file is the location on the salt master where it is. In this case, it's in Files, VBox Editions, Linux, vboxeditions.sh, and the salt : / specifies that it's on the salt master. Finally, we'll change the mode to be 0700. To run the installer, we just need to run the command.run state with the name of the script. Finally, when we're all done with that, I want to delete the installer. To do that, we'll use the file.absent state. Now we'll need to add the logic that will prevent this state from being run every time we call the high state. Using Jinja, we can test the output of VBox Guest Editions version function. We only want to run these states if it returns false. So there we go. That's our complete state file. So let's run the high state and see what happens. There we go. 8 succeeded, and we've only changed 3. So let's take a look at this. You can see we copied the file over, we ran the script, it installed the VirtualBox modules, everything looks okay, and it deleted the installer. So let's run that VBox function again and see what happens. So now you can see that the VBox modules are installed on Saltmaster and Debian clone. So that's how you run arbitrary commands using salt states. Thanks for watching. See you next time.